Good morning, guys, from Kitengela stage. It's time to go to work. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Guys, this is Kitengela's, morning traffic. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. Thank God for the expressway. Nowadays, it's not much traffic. But thank God I'm moving opposite traffic. Let's go. That's the traffic. That's a underfit, a blue underfit in front. Yep, just enjoying the morning drive. This is fun. This is really, really fun. Oh man, my brakes are squeaking. I think I need to go to the garage maybe in the weekend and get them checked. Yeah, because that can't be right. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but there's a squeaking noise coming from the brakes. We have a university bus in front of us, and that's Ruby's. I don't know, guys. If you go to Ruby's, please leave a comment below. And if you don't go, you can tell us also why you don't like Ruby's. Yeah, following the university bus to the university. Walking my life away. Finally, we are about to arrive. So, left indicator, and then I get to work. Oh man, deja vu again, all over again. Yeah, there's someone joking there. This is me, guys. This is me. This guy, man, I love this guy. This guy is always here for me. Yeah, this guy is always here waiting for me. Yeah. Currently 6:42. I'm leaving work. Still got a tank. Got a half a tank. So let's turn on the lights and go home. Yup, at Total, trying to get some tire pressure. Remember, always fill up your tire pressure once every week. That's a rule, man.